Welcome to our video guide on how to buy a laundromat. In the next few minutes, we will take you through the process step by step, making sure you have all the necessary information. Before we get started, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about business topics that can save you time and money. According to the Coin Laundry Association, the laundromat industry generates an annual revenue of approximately $5 billion in the United States alone. The first step is to research and understand the industry. You should familiarize yourself with the operating costs, profit margins, potential challenges, and the latest industry trends. Keep in mind that a successful laundromat, according to industry averages, can generate an annual gross income of up to $300,000, with profit margins ranging from 20 to 30%. Next, start your search for the right laundromat. Look for businesses that are up for sale in your area. Consider factors such as location, competition, condition of the equipment, and current customer base. Once you've identified potential laundromats, get a detailed understanding of their financial performance. Check the business's income statements, balance sheets, and cash flow statements for the last 3 to 5 years. Hiring a business broker can be very beneficial in this stage. They can help you navigate through the complex process of due diligence. Be sure to assess the physical condition of the laundromat. The age and maintenance of the equipment can greatly affect the profitability. Replacement costs for washers and dryers can range from $500 to $800 per unit. Once you've selected a laundromat, you will need to secure financing. Talk to your bank about loan options, or consider seller financing if it's available. Remember to negotiate the purchase price based on your findings. Our organization can take care of all the business registration paperwork on your behalf. Finally, after all the paperwork is done and the deal is closed, you are now the proud owner of a laundromat. While buying a laundromat can be a complex process, with diligent research and proper planning, it can be a profitable investment. For more information on how to purchase a laundromat, please visit legalregistration.com. Or you are welcome to call our experts right now at 877-955-7111. Also, what do you think about the steps of buying a business? Is there a specific one you're confused about? Please drop a comment below. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about important information designed to benefit your business.